Hello, my name is William and I'm a tutor on my tutor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to differentiate x to the x.
So here we have the derivative we wish to find. So immediately we see we have x to some power. So we might be tempted to use the power rule, and that would give us the power, which is x, times x to the power minus 1. However, this would be incorrect usage of the power rule because the power rule requires the power to be constant. And here we can see that it's x, which clearly depends on x. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite x to the x in a more approachable form. So we can replace x with a base with e to the ln x, using just exponential logarithms at inverses, and that's to the x, and then law of indices, e to the x ln x. So we can see that the derivative we want is the derivative of e to the x ln x. So using chain rule and derivative of exponential, we get this here, so derivative of the power here. And this is a derivative of x times ln x. So this is a product, so we're going to be using the product rule. Derivative of x is just 1, so 1 times ln x. And derivative of ln x is just 1 over x, so it's x times 1 over x. So we're going to simplify what we have in the parentheses here. And also we're going to replace our expression of e to the x ln x with x to the x again. So x to the x times, so 1 plus ln x. Just like that, we have our final result. So hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.